Join me as I dive into the challenge of forgiving someone who's hurt me deeply and see if it really can heal those emotional wounds. Forgiveness, it's a powerful concept, isn't it? The idea that we can let go of the pain and resentment that's been holding us back, and move forward with our lives. But what does it really mean to forgive someone? And can it truly heal the deepest wounds that we've been carrying around? We've all been there, holding on to a grudge, replaying the hurtful words or actions over and over in our heads, feeling like we're justified in our anger and resentment. But the thing is, when we hold on to these feelings, we're not hurting the other person, we're only hurting ourselves. The emotional toll it takes on our mental and physical health is immense. We become stuck in a cycle of negativity, unable to move forward, and it's like we're carrying around this heavy weight on our shoulders. I think one of the biggest struggles we face when it comes to forgiveness is that we feel like we're letting the other person off the hook. We feel like they don't deserve our forgiveness, that they need to apologize or make amends before we can even think about moving forward. But the truth is, forgiveness isn't about the other person, it's about us. It's about releasing the hold they have on us, and taking back control of our own lives. And it's not easy, I know. Forgiveness is a process that takes time, effort, and patience. It's not something that we can just decide to do overnight, and then suddenly everything is okay. But I think what's important to remember is that forgiveness isn't about forgetting what happened, or excusing someone's bad behavior. It's about acknowledging the pain, and then choosing to let it go. Studies have shown that forgiveness can have a huge impact on our physical health, reducing stress, anxiety, and even lowering blood pressure. It can improve our mental health, reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety, and even increasing our overall sense of well-being. And I think what's really interesting is that forgiveness can even affect our relationships, improving communication and trust, and bringing people closer together. I've seen the power of forgiveness firsthand in my own life, and I've witnessed it in the lives of others. When we choose to forgive, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, and it's like a weight has been lifted off our shoulders. We're able to move forward, to heal, and to grow in ways we never thought possible. I want to share a story with you that really illustrates the transformative power of forgiveness. I know someone who was in a relationship that was incredibly toxic, and when it finally ended, she was left feeling broken and damaged. For years, she held on to the anger and resentment, feeling like her ex didn't deserve her forgiveness. But one day, she realized that she was only hurting herself, and that forgiveness wasn't about her ex, it was about her. It was about taking back control of her life, and releasing the hold he had on her. It wasn't easy, but she worked through the process, and slowly but surely, she started to heal. She started to forgive, and in doing so, she freed herself from the emotional prison she'd been living in. Today, she's in a happy, healthy relationship, and she's able to look back on that experience with gratitude, knowing that it taught her the power of forgiveness. It taught her that no matter what happens, she has the strength to overcome it, and to come out even stronger on the other side. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Forgiveness is a powerful tool that can heal even the deepest wounds. It's not always easy, and it's not always quick, but it's worth it. When we choose to forgive, we're not only healing ourselves, but we're also opening ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on forgiveness in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about emotional well-being, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. Like, subscribe and share now.